new level of power. Feels like eternity, feels like eternity, holding on to this trace of